Baetrepreneurs, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new, hi, welcome. Today's going to be a little bit of a different type of video. So what I'm going to do is that I have been asked several questions from my clients, and I want to go ahead and share some of their questions with you just to see if anyone else have these same questions as well. My name is Joanne and I run this YouTube channel, Joanne & Co. If you haven't already, hit that $1 million subscribe button and love tap that bell so that you don't miss out on any important enough videos. Before I get into these questions that my clients are asking me, I am going to go ahead and do what we do best, is show our Baetrepreneurs appreciation to our loving and growing community. With that being said, we're going to do shoutouts. Thank you to this YouTuber user for this awesome comment on my last week's video. I also want to shout out the Instagram profile of the week as well as a thank you for supporting the $1 Million Habit channel. If you want to be featured on next week's video, you can leave a comment below on this video, or you can screenshot me and tag me on Instagram and share it with your audience. Now that that's done, let's get back into this week's video. Alright, so the first question that my client has asked me is, how do I get brand deals with a small following? You can easily find opportunities to work with companies even with a small following. There are brands that are willing to do a product in exchange rather than paying an influencer with a very small following. What you need to start doing is create a pitch to these brands that you want to work with. The way you can do that is look on their Instagram bio and see if there is a tab where it says email, contact. Click on the email or the contact button and then you will see their email address. And I suggest that you just click on the tab and copy and paste their email address into your Gmail, Outlook, whatever email service that you use, and DM them. Do you follow anyone with the same, almost close to the same follower numbers as you? Do you have friends, or do you have anyone that you look up to that has like the same amount of audience as you? What you could do is on their highlights, they have a section where they may label a highlight story collabs or PR. What that means is that these influencers or these users that you are following, they have already worked with brands. They create these story highlights of these products that they have worked with these companies. My suggestion to you is apply for those same exact companies, that influencer or the person that you're following, brands that they have already worked with. Why wouldn't you not want to work with them as well? We'll also have a much higher opportunity for that brand to work with you. Click on the Instagram name that you see on the story highlights and get their emails and then pitch to them. And I can guarantee you, you're going to at least nail one collaboration. This is what I did. My very first collaboration was with a company called Pennington's. The way I got this opportunity was slightly different than what I'm just telling you now. What I did is that I entered into their contest. I literally entered into their $250 gift card giveaway, and I tagged a whole bunch of people that I thought would want to get tagged in this Pennington giveaway. And then in about a week, I was announced one of the 3 winners. I wrote to the account and I said, hey, thank you so much. I can't believe I won a giveaway. I am super happy. I'm also an influencer myself, and I love that you guys are a plus size fashion brand. I am interested in trying on your clothes since I am also a plus size fashion influencer. Can I please have your email address for the person that handles social media campaigns or collaborations? I pretty much went on my Gmail account, sent over my cover page plus my social media kit and my social media rate card. In a day or two, I ended up getting response stating that they would like for me to do a winter campaign for them. So long story short, this is how I got my first collaboration. Another question I've been asked by my client is, while I am pitching to these companies on Instagram, is there any other websites or other apps that influencers can apply for to work with additional brands? And the answer is yes, of course. There's so many other like third-party apps. Apps that I know off the top of my head is called Aspire IQ. The second one that I know is Brand Ambassador. This is the one that I currently started experimenting with that app. So far, I have gotten several collaborations, but they're not paid. So that's the only difference. But those are 2 apps that I know that you can definitely try. So what you do is that you just pretty much create an account with these third-party apps, and then you just apply to the open campaigns. That's it. It's pretty simple. I'm also going to spill the tea by giving you guys $1 million trick. A few companies are actually looking for influencers. So the first one, get your pen and paper, is called Adore Me. If you are a plus size influencer, don't worry, this company is great for you. The next one is called Lily Jean. I'm not sure if I got the name right, but I will link up their information up here. And they are a motherhood Instagram account, so pretty much they target influencers that are moms. And they have these cute little diaper bags that I want to get, but I'm not a mom. But they have these cute bags. They'll send it to you for free, and then you just do a review. The next one is Airy. Yeah, the next one is Airy. And again, I will put the information below, and also I will link it down in the description box below so that it's easier for you guys to click on the link and apply right away. Last but not least, the final company that I know of is Express. So this is open to US and Canada. I'm gonna link the information down below in the description box, and make sure you guys apply. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys like some cool brands that you guys can start making money today and become an ambassador for these companies. So the first third-party app that can help influencers get money, boost your Instagram following, the first one is called Aspire IQ. Aspire IQ is one of the many influencer platforms where you create great content and get rewarded. It could be gift cards, it could be free product in exchange of review. And you can also get paid by these brands. The second one is called Optoli. Optoli is an influencer marketing platform that enables brands to collaborate with other influencers. Last but not least, the third one is called Brand Ambassadors. Brand Ambassadors, there's a two-part component to Brand Ambassadors. So the first component to it is pertaining to small businesses, and I'm going to repeat verbatim from their website. Turn your customers into an army of ambassadors. Their mission statement is pretty much, tired of wasting money on influencers and seeing little return? We have built the solution. Begin to generate value through authentic word-of-the-mouth marketing by turning your best customers, followers, and fans into ambassadors for your brand today. So pretty much what you can do is, if you are a small business, you can pretty much get on the platform, market your business.
Alright, Baetrepreneurs, so this completes this week's video. What did you guys think? Please let me know what you have all learned today in the comment section down below. We will be doing a quick recap on everything we discussed. I know there's a lot of information, but I am here to have all of you guys win on these social media platforms. So we're gonna go back and recap on all of the apps that you can start working as a brand ambassador or an influencer to these brands today. If you want me to create more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section down below. And remember, peace, love, and bulletproof marshmallows. Until next time, Baetrepreneurs. See ya!